I would just stress my extracurricular activities in high school, aside from my academic work, also very much emphasized community service and engaging with the community around you. So it's very important that you think about yourself not only in relation to your schoolwork. Your schoolwork is very important. Your homework, your exams, your assignments are very important to complete. But what allowed me to really, what enabled me or what empowered me to apply to Princeton University and succeed in getting admission there, and also succeed while I was in university as well, is developing some important relationships and interests in your community around you. And what I mean by that specifically is, for instance, I was very involved in community service. So I would spend a lot of time on my weekends or my free time going to local food banks or community centers, or even local places like churches or libraries, and spending time helping out there, spending my time getting to know different people in my community. And these are all very important experiences that you can include in your college applications as well. If you're thinking of going to colleges and places like Princeton University, these are very important experiences for you to have, to show that you are dedicated to your community, that you are thinking about yourself as a member of your community, not only as an academic member of your community, someone who is thinking about your homework and schoolwork, but also someone who is invested in your neighborhood, in your high school, even among your group of peers and friends.